At Arizona Garage Door and Repair, we know a broken garage can disrupt your life. That's why we provide same-day and emergency service 24/7. Professional and affordable garage door repair. Local, family-owned too. We've been proudly repairing and installing garage doors in Arizona for over 17 years, valley-wide and Tucson too. Locations throughout the state of Arizona, Phoenix, East Valley, West Valley, and Tucson. Our team of garage door experts stand ready to fix your garage today. Arizona Garage Door and Repair.